Visa? Georgia.
E-visa. E-visa, wait. Hello my friends on YouTube. Today I'm going to enter my third country on my way back home, that is Armenia. Talking about Armenia, there is something very interesting about this country and I'm going to show you a map. So this is Georgia, this is Armenia, both are Christian countries, and Turkey, Iran, Azerbaijan, they are the Islam countries. But Armenia locates in between two countries that are not its best friends, Turkey and Azerbaijan. For historical reasons, Turkey and Armenia has very bad relations, and Armenia and Azerbaijan, they still have border conflicts. So this means, and this also means you can never enter Armenia from Turkey or Azerbaijan because the borders are still closed. You can only enter Armenia either through Georgia or through Iran. That's also what I'm going to do today. I'm going to take an overnight train from Tbilisi to Yerevan, the capital of Armenia. I have 2 hours to pack my luggage and I am ready for the journey.
You know, for this date,
Yeah.
because every day change prices. For this date, this second class will be 107.50.
Good. 107.
Here is written date 22nd of July, yes, 2020. It is departure time. Carriage number 6, second class, bed number 3. In Tbilisi, Yerevan, you will be Yerevan 22nd of July, 7 o'clock.
I have just got my ticket from Tbilisi to Yerevan, Armenia. This is the train ticket of 107 lari, which is not expensive for a ride of over almost 10 hours. She told me there are 3 different classes, first, second, third. I took the second class. Oh, this is not the right finger. And for the second class, it's a sleeping cabin of 4 beds with a door. And I know another friend that I met on the trip, she took a third class. So on that day, probably I will find her on the third class.
This is the flat.
Yeah, platform 3. Selfie, film me.
GoPro.
GoPro.
From America. Philippines, do you have a visa for Armenia?
Yes.
This is 6 one. Are you Filipino?
No, Chinese.
China?
Also, yes.
I see.
6.
Yeah, okay.
There also.
Matloba.
This is okay.
So this is my train number 6, carriage number 6. Look at this. It's not very long. There are altogether 1, 2, 3, 4 carriages in total. Many people are outside. I think probably it's quite hot inside, so they prefer to have some fresh air. Oh, 6. Look at the beautiful sunset. And I hope when I wake up I can see the Mount Ararat. Three. Matloba. This is the tree.
Yeah.
Yeah, I heard so. I heard too. I just want to explore our train a little bit. This is our sleeping cabin, and every room there are 4 beds. It's quite clean and not so hot. I'm going to the other side to see my friend Chris. there is shower. Toilet is quite clean. Ah, there is a shower room. It's actually the second train where I see a shower inside. Look at this. This is also again the second class, so there are 4 beds in each cabin. Now I think this is the third class. Ah!
Read my bed.
Wow. Oh, you have 6 beds.
Yeah.
Ah, but
And
you,
no, 4. I think that's for the
yeah.
how do you say it?
Luggage.
The luggage, yes.
Oh, actually, I prefer this. I prefer this.
This is like the Trans-Siberian.
Yeah.
Right.
Yes, it's so cool because you also have the seats on both sides.
Because you don't have that.
No,
Oh,
we
yeah.
don't. We don't have that.
So
This is
the
way
other guy
better.
you have to come and sit with
I want to change. I'm really super jealous because I prefer this place. I would really prefer to be in this third class.
Ah.
Yeah.
Did you see the second class? I haven't seen the second class.
Mine is second class.
It's not first class?
No, first class there are only 2 beds inside.
Ah, I see. Okay.
Yeah, that's the difference.
Okay.
Yeah. This is my friend Grace.
Hi. Ni hao.
She's from Indonesia.
I'm from Indonesia.
Yeah, and probably we're going to the water festival in Yerevan together.
Looking forward to it.
After 1 hour and a half, we are very close to the border. Look at this map. This is Georgia and this is Armenia. This is the border. Our train have just stopped, so we are right now at the border. I'm not so sure if we have to get off the train or we can stay here and somebody will check our passport. We will see. The other side is another train. Don't know if you can see it. Maybe the officers are in the other train, they're checking it. And also this is the border crossing on the Georgian side. So after this we're going to enter Armenia and then there will be another border crossing which will take maybe also another 40 or 50 minutes.
Visa, Georgia.
E-visa. E-visa, wait. Yeah, so that was a thing. I didn't really expect my visa will get checked when I leave Georgia. It took me a while. The other train has left, but we are still waiting. Oh, that's an officer. Yeah, in that small room. It took us about 1 hour and a half to cross the Georgian border, and then the train continues. We slept for maybe half an hour, and now the train stopped again. We're going to cross the Armenia border. God knows how long this will take. We have just finished the entry to Armenia border, and procedure at this point is much faster. So some officers came with some portable devices. They scanned my passport and they stamped it. It took total maybe around 20 minutes, much faster than the Georgian border. Now it's 1:40. The train will be arriving approximately at 7. Yeah, we are moving finally. And I think we will have almost less than 5 hours sleep. So good night.